I need to go back to school soon. It's so foggy outside. I burped again. Now that is foggy. Sorry guys, you bumped yourself in the head. I'm tired. Where's my kitty cat? Kitty cat! Ouch! Kitty cat! I don't think I can find him today. But I'll find my kitty cat soon. Because he is a good boy. Is my cat a good boy? I need to go back to school.